Hey guys, it's Sarah from Sleepopolis, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've been wondering if the Tuft Needle pillow is the right one for you. Well, stick around because I'm going to show you what it's made of, how it feels, and which sleeping positions it's best for. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm noticing about the Tuft Needle pillow is how really silky and soft the cover fabric is. It's also got this really stretchy quality, and I'm feeling that it's pretty breathable when I press into it too. So I'm liking that the cover fabric is not only really silky, but it seems like pretty breathable. Now, I'm a little surprised it's a little bit firmer than I was expecting. It does have a really super bouncy, quick response to pressure, but I'm definitely saying it's somewhere between medium and medium firm. Now, the folks at Tuft Needle say that this pillow is meant to strike a comfortable balance between a memory foam feel and a latex feel. But I have to say, pushing into it, I'm definitely getting more of a latex vibe. It's got, like I said, a very super bouncy, quick response to pressure. The pillow itself is very lightweight, and you're really not getting that deep sink into the pillow like you often get with memory foam. And if you want to know more about the difference between latex pillows or memory foam pillows, you should definitely check out my latex versus memory foam pillows on sleepopolis.com. But for now, let's take a closer look at what exactly this pillow is made of. Okay, starting with the cover fabric. So this cover fabric is made from a blend of polyester and polyamide. And the polyamide is contributing to this really silky, smooth feel, but it's also giving it a little bit of the stretch that you see here. And the polyester is also bringing some moisture wicking qualities to the game. So those of you who are hot sleepers, maybe prone to sweating during the night, this is gonna sort of work extra hard to keep you feeling fresh and dry. Now there's also a zipper on one side, so that you can easily remove the cover when it's time to be thrown in the wash. And the cover is machine washable. So I kind of like that you can just unzip, take the cover fabric off, throw it in the wash. Not all pillow maintenance is that easy. Now inside, we've got one solid piece of the company's proprietary adaptive foam, and it's also ventilated for better breathability. So not only is the cover fabric feeling breathable and it's also moisture wicking, but the foam inside is also breathable. So I'm really liking this pillow for hot sleepers. Now the foam itself, like I said, you can see it literally bounces off the bed. It's very bouncy, very lightweight, has a very quick response to pressure. While it does have kind of a lofty build at about 5 inches, and because it's got sort of a medium firm feel, I'm not sure that I'm going to recommend this to stomach sleepers, but testing this on my back and on my side, the really resilient nature of the foam kept my head, my neck, my spine all in really healthy neutral alignment, and it really kind of kept me resting on top of the pillow rather than deeply sinking in. So folks who are really more compatible with that bouncy feel, like is often common with a latex pillow, for example, are probably going to be particularly compatible with this one. So there's a lot that I'm liking about this pillow. First of all, not only is the cover fabric moisture wicking, cool to the touch, and also pretty breathable, but the foam inside this pillow is ventilated. So I'm definitely recommending this to hot sleepers, especially if you're a back and side sleeper. Now, speaking of back and side sleepers, this pillow has a nice lofty profile at about 5 inches, and it's also got a nice medium firm feel and a really bouncy quick response to pressure. So all those things really combine to, when I was in the back and side sleeping position, really relieve pressure in my neck, my shoulders, and also help me keep a neutral spine. Now here's a perk for you. You have 100 nights to try this pillow before you have to come to any decisions. Now let's be honest, you probably don't need 100 nights to decide whether or not this pillow is the right fit for you, but it's kind of nice to have the time. And if during that 100 night trial period you decide this isn't the pillow for you, just send it on back for a refund. So there are a few things about this pillow that some folks might consider to be drawbacks. Now, firstly, while I'm loving that the cover fabric is machine washable, it's not machine dryable, so you need to let the cover fabric air dry. Now, the foam inside this pillow is not washable at all, so it's a spot clean only situation. So whatever you do, don't throw this entire pillow in the washing machine, or you could definitely damage the foam. Now, another thing about this pillow is while I'm loving it for back and side sleepers, I don't think this is for you, stomach sleepers. Stomach sleepers need a lower loft pillow with a soft level of firmness, and that's not this pillow. Additionally, it's not adjustable, meaning you can't reduce the loft at all. So in order to alleviate neck pain and make sure that you're keeping a neutral spine, I probably wouldn't recommend this to stomach sleepers. And the last thing I'll say is sleepers who are looking for that deep sink into foam might want to look elsewhere. While this isn't a latex pillow, it does kind of behave like one. It's super bouncy, it's very lightweight, and it really lets you rest sort of on top of the pillow rather than deeply sinking into it. So if you are really more of a memory foam fan, I would definitely take advantage of the trial period before you commit. Well, that wraps up this review, but for every last detail on the Tuft Needle pillow, be sure to check out my full written review, which is linked below. And if while you were watching this video, any questions came up, or if you want a personal recommendation, please feel free to give me a shout in the comment section below, and I'd be happy to help. Now, I do hope you found this review to be helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, as we're always going to be uploading more content with one main thing in mind, to get you some better sleep. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.